Welcome back to another vlog. Today we're gonna be running errands and we're gonna be celebrating the Super Bowl, or should I say the Benito Bowl. Here I'm taking my daily boost of immunity. If you would like the recipe, I can make a separate video, but I drink them every day. And some creatine gummies because I love to go to the gym. Come run errands with us. We went to our local coffee shop. They have coffee beans from all over the world. We love to get their lattes with vanilla sweetener. Taste it. You want to taste mine?
Ya. Vamos a probar más como ahorita que
I think we need to open it.
no está amargo, no está bien.
I think I like yours better.
Así está amarguito.
Huh?
Está un poco amargo.
See. Now we're gonna try the glazed donut. It's good.
It's really soft. I like that. They're soft.
I think they make these there.
Maybe.
For brunch, we got baleadas from this Honduran restaurant. I ordered the one with chicken, steak, eggs, beans, cheese. My boyfriend ordered the more classic ones. ¿Probándola? ¿O no? ¿Sí? We made a quick stop by Guitar Center because we wanted to see what it would look like and we wanted to try out the DJ mixers. We found one before we found the whole room with various mixers. We are big fans of music and we would love to mix music together.
This been in my ear, she try to leave with me. Say that I can get that easily.
Afterwards, we made a quick stop to Target. We came to exchange a controller. That was all we did there. The next day, I woke up bright and early. I made some pancakes for my honey. Here we were making eggs con loroco. I went to the grocery store to get a few essentials we needed in the house. Plus, we were prepping for my cousin's quince. Then I went to go wash my car. And last but not least, I started prepping for the Benito Bowl. This was my first time making garlic parmesan cheese balls. I didn't know how easy it was, and I will probably keep doing it because outside it's like too expensive. So I grabbed my mozzarella sticks and I chopped them up into small portions until I thought it was enough. Here I'm taking out the dough that I'm gonna use for the cheese bites. It's just regular pizza dough that I'm cutting up into squares. And then I grab each square and I put a piece of cheese inside and I roll it into a ball. I do recommend making these at home just because it's super easy and more affordable than Pizza Hut. I am scrambling an egg to put on top of the cheese bites so they get that crispy golden brown look after they're baked. And in that TikTok I saw that she made it into a football. So to match, I did a football also. This is the butter that I'm gonna coat the cheese balls with. To complete the football, we got to add the cheese threads. I also wanted to make wings because that's like a tradition in football. I put them in a wire rack because in all the videos I saw they used wire racks, and it's so the air flows all throughout. And this is how they came out, very crispy. These are oven baked, by the way. Then the cheese balls are not complete until we have our marinara sauce. So here I am going to be making a marinara sauce that I saw on TikTok also. You never realize how easy it is to make stuff at home until you sit down and watch videos about it. This garlic is going to be for the buffalo sauce that we're going to coat the wings with. I also saw this recipe on TikTok. I know, guilty. Always using TikTok for recipes, but I feel like it's way faster than looking at a 15-minute video on how to make something.
Bruh.
Puerto Rico está bien cabrón, de Carolina me le reggaetón y lo que fue, te vayamos, quieren montarse en la ola y no pido ritón, un besito pa' abuela, en el balcón cogiéndote los hoyos en la Rubicón. Fuera Guyana, Panamá, Costa Rica, Nicaragua, Honduras, El Salvador, Cuba, República Dominicana, Jamaica, Haití, Antillas, United States, Canadá, mi patria, Puerto Rico. Seguimos aquí. ¡Ahora sí! Nunca dejes de creer en mí. Tú también deberías de creer en ti. Vales más de lo que piensas. Créeme.